Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Tide Pods Oxi is probably one of the most convenient and effective laundry solutions available today, offering a powerful combination of cleaning and stain-fighting capabilities in a pre-measured, easy-to-use pod that dissolves completely in your wash. Designed to tackle even the toughest stains with its advanced Oxi formula, these pods ensure your clothes come out brilliantly clean and fresh, simplifying your laundry routine while delivering exceptional results that traditional detergents often struggle to match, making them a top choice for busy households seeking superior performance and effortless convenience. Number 5. Tide 4-in-1 Ultra Oxi Pods Laundry Detergent. Experience the ultimate cleaning power with Tide Pods and our advanced Ultra Oxi formula. Get ready for a superior clean like never before. Choose the laundry detergent trusted by millions. It's America's #1 trusted brand, ensuring your clothes get the best care. Our advanced 4-in-1 technology does it all. It cleans, removes stains, protects colors, and pre-treats, simplifying your laundry routine. These convenient pods dissolve effectively in both hot and cold water. Make your laundry chores easier, no matter the temperature. Say goodbye to stubborn odors with this powerful laundry soap. It effectively tackles tough, set-in smells, leaving your clothes wonderfully fresh. What we like? Experience the ultimate cleaning power with this advanced formula. It combines detergent, stain removal, color protection, and pre-treaters all in one convenient pack. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to tackle everyday stains and odors, this is your go-to choice for a consistently clean and fresh laundry load. What people say. One pod is sufficient for a small load to efficiently and effectively clean the first time. The seal on the container keeps the pods nice and fresh and doesn't allow them to dry out. They've been amazing at getting tough stains out of my daughter's soccer uniform. The built-in pre-treater really works. Number 4. Tide 4-in-1 Ultra Oxi Pods Laundry Detergent. Discover the ultimate cleaning power with our new laundry detergent pods. They are designed to deliver exceptional results for your laundry needs. Experience the advanced Ultra Oxi technology that tackles even the toughest stains. It provides a superior clean that you can see and feel. Trust in the brand that America relies on for its laundry care. We are proud to be consumers' #1 trusted choice. Our innovative formula combines detergent, stain remover, color protection, and built-in pre-treaters. It simplifies your laundry routine while ensuring a brilliant clean. These pods dissolve effectively in both hot and cold water. Enjoy a powerful clean regardless of your washing temperature. Say goodbye to stubborn odors with our powerful formula. It penetrates deep to eliminate tough, set-in smells, leaving your clothes fresh. What we like? This option offers a powerful 4-in-1 cleaning action designed to combat stubborn odors and stains. Its built-in pre-treaters make it incredibly effective for busy households. If you need a reliable detergent that simplifies laundry day while delivering exceptional results against tough odors, this is the one for you. What people say. One pod is sufficient for a small load to efficiently and effectively clean the first time. The seal on the container keeps the pods nice and fresh and doesn't allow them to dry out. They've been amazing at getting tough stains out of my daughter's soccer uniform. The built-in pre-treater really works. Number 3. Tide Pods Downy Heat Turbo Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Tide Pods with the refreshing April Fresh scent. Experience a new level of clean for your laundry. Our Heat Turbo technology delivers 6 times the cleaning power. Get your laundry done in half the time. These convenient packs make laundry simple and effective. Just toss one in for a powerful clean. It's formulated to be tough on stains while remaining gentle on your clothes. Enjoy brilliantly clean laundry every time. This 32-count bag ensures you have plenty of freshness for your loads. Experience the difference it makes. For additional details about this product, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? Get a superior clean in half the time with its advanced E-Turbo technology. Enjoy a delightful April Fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling wonderful. If you value efficiency and a fresh fragrance, this product is perfect for cutting down on laundry time without compromising on cleanliness. What people say. These pods offer the ultimate convenience. Just pop one in the washer, and you're good to go. The combination of Tide detergent and Downy fabric softener leaves our clothes smelling amazing and feeling incredibly soft. Even tough stains are no match for the cleaning power of these pods. Number 2. Tide Odor Defense Plus Oxi Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Tide Odor Defense Plus Oxi Laundry Detergent Packs in the original scent. It's the ultimate solution for tackling tough stains and odors. When it comes to fighting stains and odors, nothing beats it. Experience a superior clean that leaves your clothes fresh and spotless. These are twice the size of regular pods, designed to deliver a more powerful and effective clean. Get ready for laundry day like never before. No matter your washing machine or water conditions, it performs exceptionally. It works perfectly in hot or cold, hard or soft water. Enjoy a powerful Tide clean that's effective even in cold water. Save energy without compromising on the freshness and cleanliness of your laundry. What we like? This is your ultimate weapon against tough stains and odors, offering twice the cleaning power of regular pods. It's designed to perform exceptionally well, even in cold water. If you're dealing with challenging odors and stains and want a powerful clean that's also energy efficient, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They get even the dirtiest clothes fresh and clean, perfect for gym gear, towels, and work clothes. The odor eliminators really do their job. Everything comes out smelling fresh without being overpowering. The convenience of just tossing in a pod without measuring liquid or powder is great, and these really do deliver powerful cleaning. Clothes come out looking bright, smelling fresh, and even stubborn odors haven't stood a chance. I also appreciate that these pods are heat compatible and work just as well in cold water as in warm. That saves energy without sacrificing results. Number 1. Tide Power Pod Sport Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Power Pod Sport, your ultimate solution for tough laundry challenges. It's designed to tackle sweat and stains effectively in just one wash. With Febreze odor eliminators, these pods are engineered to combat stubborn odors and stains that have set in. Experience a new level of clean. Join millions of satisfied users who trust Tide. Voted most trusted laundry brand, it's a choice you can rely on for superior performance. Don't let dirt and grime get the best of your activewear. These powerful pods are formulated to handle even the toughest messes, from mud to grass. Say goodbye to lingering sports odors. Our advanced formula eliminates even week-old smells, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Experience the convenience of our 4-in-1 technology. It combines super concentrated detergent, Febreze odor fighters, stain removers, and lasting freshness in one easy-to-use pack. What we like? Engineered specifically for active lifestyles, this detergent tackles sweat, mud, and grass stains with Febreze odor eliminators. It's designed to eliminate even week-old sport odors. If you or your family are highly active and need a detergent that can handle intense odors and tough stains from sports or workouts, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It's the only thing my wife will use on my workout clothes. As someone who works out regularly and has a lot of sweaty gym clothes to wash, I needed something that could really tackle odors and keep my gear fresh, and Tide Sport delivers. The pods are super convenient to use, no mess, no measuring, just toss one in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.